Oh, hi there, and welcome to the apocalypse with me, Mr. Ward.
And me, Mr. Colley. We have decided to put together these maths videos so that you at home can practice your maths skills, which I am sure you are absolutely thrilled about.
We are.
Now, a couple of things that we want to just clear up. We are making sure that we are doing this safely and taking social distancing into account. We have created this, the social distancing device, to ensure that we remain 2 metres away most of the time. Now, during this first session, we wanted to look at place value. So what we'd like you to do at home is maybe just follow this video and then have a go at the questions that we're going to put on at the end. We're obviously going to show you, hopefully, if you're a bit unsure, how to do that. Right. So, here we go. You may at some point in your maths career have seen a grid that looks a lot like this. In fact, you may have even seen it laminated. Now, here is the number 3. What does that 3 stand for at the moment? Well, the answer is 3 ones, or 3 individual things by themselves, and that is why it will go in the ones column. Now, what happens then if I put the 3 here? Does this 3 stand for the same thing?
Well, in actual fact, Mr. Colley, no it doesn't. Because by virtue of the fact that it's now in this column, it is now 3 tens. 3 tens, otherwise known as 30.
Important to remember that.
Now, what this place value grid does is it helps us to realise just which column our individual numerals or digits are in so that we can work out their value, hence place value. So, hopefully at home you're having a bit of a think about which columns are going to come either side of those tens and ones columns. Over here, Mr. Colley, we're going to have
the hundreds.
I'm going to put a nice capital H there for hundreds. Now, we have to be a bit careful on the other side of the ones because all of a sudden we're going below a whole number. So we'll cover that in just a second. Mr. Colley, can I have another digit to put in the hundreds column there?
What digit would you like? Would you like the digit 5?
That would be amazing!
5!
Brilliant. Okay, so if I were to ask you, I'm just going to change this one here actually just to make it a little bit different. Which digit is in the hundreds column? You would tell me.
Hopefully, the number 5.
Brilliant, you're getting the hang of it.
I am.
Which digit is in the ones column?
Oh, it's the number 1.
Fantastic. I'm glad you're on board. Okay. Can you tell me the value of this digit here?
Is it 30?
30 or 3 tens. Correct. Okay. Now we do need to be careful. It's not 30 tens, 3 tens, which equals 30. Brilliant. Okay. Now we're going to move on to our decimal numbers. So we're going to put a little decimal point here. Okay. Can you tell me the value of the column that's going to be down here?
Is it the tenths?
Tenths, that's right. Okay. Not the ones. You might think it would be the once.
Once would make sense, wouldn't it?
Really would. But no, we skip out the once and we go straight to the tenths. I'm going to use a lowercase t for the tenths just so that we don't get confused. But basically, after that, all of these columns will be the same as the ones working in that direction, but with a th on the end. Okay?
Yep.
So naturally, next we're going to think, right, tens, hundreds, tenths.
Hundreds?
Yeah, hundreds. Okay, brilliant. So everything that's in these columns here is less than 1. Really small pieces of 1. So for example, if I were to take this 1 fox and split it into 10 pieces, I would then have tenths of a fox. If I wanted 6 of those, we'd write it in there.
Just like that.
It's got cobwebs on his tail.
Well, he has been sat in reception for quite a long time. I mean, the waiting time that he's had there.
Nightmare, absolutely. Poor service.
Yeah, we will mention that to the school office that they need to sort out the waiting times.
We will do.
Now, what are we going to do next? Okay, right. You may realise that this may or may not be rehearsed. And that should become apparent as we move on through these video lessons. Right, okay. So, obviously then, if we wanted to split this box into even more parts, say 100 parts, and I wanted 67 of those 100 parts, how would I write that, Mr. Ward?
Well, we've already got our 60 hundredths, because that's equivalent to 6 tenths. But I can then add the 7 hundredths there to make up those extra 7 hundredths.
How about if I just wanted 7 out of 100 pieces?
Well, in that case, I would need to eradicate. That's not how these pens work. The tenths column altogether. 0 tenths, 7 hundredths.
Ah.
And also 531 foxes.
Yeah, 531.07 foxes. That is what we've got. Now, what we'd like you to do at home is to have a go at some questions yourself. Now, the way this is going to work is we're not going to leave the video running for... Come back! We're not going to leave the video running for half an hour or 20 minutes whilst you do this. The idea is that we're going to show you the questions on the board, and then you can pause this video and have a go at them at your leisure. Now, what I suggest you do now is pause the video and try and identify, for instance, what the value is of each digit that has a square around it, or quadrilateral.
Now you'll probably find that the red questions are a little bit easier, so maybe if you're in year 3 or 4 you might want to have a go at those ones. The black questions are a bit trickier, they're your year 5 and 6 questions, or anybody who wants to challenge themselves. Feel free to do as many as you wish.
Okay, now hopefully you've just paused this video and I have reappeared after half an hour, when in actuality that was about 10 seconds. Anyway, what we'd like to do now is we're going to have a look at the questions, and Mr. Ward is going to go through and provide the answers so you can see how you got on. Isn't that right, Mr. Ward?
That's correct.
Now, I will just go and pick up our filming device. So if Mr. Ward disappears, it is due to my bad camera work.
Brilliant. Okay, so on the red side, we've got the value of the digit, the 6 in there. This number we can see is 567. So we're looking at 6 tens. 6 tens or 60. Over here, number 2, we've got 29. The value of the digit 2 there is in the tens column. That's going to be 20, or 2 tens. Number 3, 705. The question that we're looking for, the digit that we're looking for is the 5 there, and that's in the 5 ones. 5 ones in the ones column. Number 4, we've got 2,000.
Bingo!
2,000.
Bingo!
196. So 2,000s there in that column. Number 5, we've got a decimal number here. We've got 2 to do. 3,724. So we've got 700s, 0.6. So we've also got 6 tenths there as well. Number 6, we've got 12,680. The value of the 1 digit there is in the 10,000s column, and the 8 there is in the tens column. So it's 8 tens. Number 7, 316.08, and we've got 8 hundredths. Moving over to the black side, the dark side you might call it, if you wanted. We've got 67,392, that's 3 hundredths. 831,497. We've got 800,000 there. Don't get caught out. It's not millions, not gajillions. It's just 800,000s. Number 3, 68.72. We've got 7 tenths. Number 4, 40,176. There are actually 0 thousands there in that column. 4 10,000s, 0 thousands. Number 5, we've got 6,017,329. And we've got a 1 there in the 10,000s column. 1 10,000. Number 6, 412.732. We've got 400s. We've got 300ths. 400s, 300ths. And number 7, we've got 61.005. 1 1 and 5 thousandths.
Impressive.
There we have it.
Okay, we hope you've enjoyed the...
The 5-minute video, which turned out to be 10 minutes currently.
Well, it's pretty close.
Yeah, close enough. Tune back in next time for more poorly educated maths learning work.